So I recently got sent out this pool booster pump. This is the PB4-60, and today we're gonna do a quick unboxing and check this thing out. It does come with some accessories, so we'll also take a look at that as well. And it definitely comes well protected with a whole bunch of foam. So let's go and get this motor out first. All right, so here's the pump. It's definitely really heavy. And then we should have some more accessories in here. All right, so we do get a hose. We get some quick adapter fittings here and some plumber's tape, and of course a user manual. So these fittings just screw in pretty easy. And then the hose could go in here, and then you could just twist this to really cinch it on there. But that's kind of the basics of how you guys would hook this up to your pool system. And then when it comes to wiring, you could see right here where we have some connections. But basically these pumps here are really nice for adding some extra power to your pool system. So if you guys have a pool strainer or one of those pool cleaning robots that are powered by water pressure, then this can give you guys some more water pressure to your whole system. So this will help you have some more powerful jets. And if you guys have a water powered cleaning device, it'll also help move that around a little faster. So anyways, that's it for my really quick unboxing of this pool pump.